Okay, y'all, I just harvested. Hold on, it's really loud. I gotta shut this door. Okay, that is my laundry room, and I'm doing laundry and all the stay-at-home mom things. But I went ahead and picked some of my corn. It looked ready to me by the silk. All of them are kind of similar, as you can see. They just looked really done. So let's open these guys up and see what they look like on the inside. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Look how cute he is. Little baby corn. So not every single silk got pollinated, but that's okay. Next year, I want a little field of corn. This is so totally edible though. Look at this. What a beautiful little piece of corn. I'm so excited. Okay, let's see what the other ones look like. So this is one I tested out there first a few days ago. That's what this little brown spot is, but look how freaking cute he is. Oh my God. All of these are sweet corns. So they are ready to eat. Let's do this one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I think I did a really good job pollinating though. Look at that. I grew this. Oh my gosh. And there's so many more out there. I'm so excited. Here's the last one. Oh my God, it's beautiful. This guy probably could have been out there for a little bit longer. I'm gonna leave the rest of those out there until, like, I want all the silk to be completely dead. Looking, you know, kind of like this, and maybe like wait a few days after. But so far, I am super happy with my tiny baby corns. Oh my gosh. Y'all don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you don't want to miss out on the next revealing of my corn that I grew in my garden. Y'all have a beautiful day. Hopefully this wasn't too corny for you. So corn was not the only thing that I got. I got some jalapenos and cayenne peppers, and then of course a few more tomatoes. The plan is to make salsa soon, so y'all stay tuned. Catch y'all later.